वो उनके साथ सख्त था।
He was strict with them. He was strict with them.
कदमों की आवाज पर वो खौफ से कांप उठे।
They trembled in fear at the sound of footsteps. They trembled in fear at the sound of footsteps.
इसने फख्र के साथ अपने ओहदे का ऐलान किया।
He announced his position with pride. He announced his position with pride.
उसने अपने घर वालों को एक मुतज़लज़ल मुस्कुराहट दी।
She gave her family a shaky smile. She gave her family a shaky smile.
मैंने पिछली सीट से उसे आंख मारी।
I winked at her from the back seat. I winked at her from the back seat.
अहलकारों ने अपनी गाड़ियों से लाइन का पता लगाया।
The officials traced the line with their cars. The officials traced the line with their cars.
इतनी वजाहत काफी है।
Enough with the explanations. Enough with the explanations.
मैं घर जाने से पहले आपको बताना चाहता था।
I wanted to tell you before heading home. I wanted to tell you before heading home.
अगली रुकावट के लिए तैयार रहें।
Be prepared for the next obstacle. Be prepared for the next obstacle.
इसने अच्छे तरीके से पानी की बोतल पी ली।
He drank a bottle of water for good measure. He drank a bottle of water for good measure.